Hello my beautiful friends. Today I want to show you how I make my delicious creamy flan. It's a very easy and simple recipe. I hope you try it. First, we are going to start by melting 1 cup of sugar in high heat temperature. We are going to be mixing it for about 3 minutes. Once you have this melted sugar, we are going to pass it over to our pan. Next, we are going to blend 2 cans of evaporated milk. We will need a total of 8 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 3/4 of cream cheese, and also don't forget to add vanilla. We are going to mix for about 45 seconds. Pass this over with the help of a strain, so this way your flan doesn't come out too bubbly. We are going to put it in a bigger pan with a little bit of water, and we are going to bake for about 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, you are going to let it cool for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Also refrigerate for about 1 to 2 hours, and your creamy flan will be ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe and stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you and see you next time.